Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Messenger. We go here to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that we click on Messenger and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.